James Bond, Sir Robert King.
Ah, the man who retrieved my money. Excellent job. Can't thank you enough.
Sir Robert is an old friend. I helped him years ago when his daughter Electra was kidnapped by the terrorist Renard. Still, all that's in the past. Sir Robert thought that the report he paid for would identify the terrorists who've attacked his new oil pipeline in Kazakhstan. Then he discovered it was actually about the nuclear arsenals in the former Soviet republics, so he turned it over to me.
Something's not right about all this. King, the money!
Bond, we're under attack. Find Sir Robert.
The automatic security door system is damaged. Can you reach the manual override switch?
Here, you better take this.
Quickly, Bond. We need someone with your clearance to activate the manual override. Use these keypads to initiate the lockdown.
Reports of a fire in the lobby. The sprinklers need to be activated manually, sir.
The automatic security door system is damaged. Can you reach the manual override switch?
Here, take this pin! It was the detonator!
Sir Robert.
007! This is Q. Get to the Q labs at once. The suspect is escaping. She has a boat waiting outside.